Whether you're running a quarry, recycling yard, or mobile crusher spread, one thing's for sure, wear parts can make or break your uptime. In today's video, we're breaking down the basics of jaw crusher wear parts, what they do, how to maintain them, and when it's time to replace them, so you can keep your crusher running like new and avoid those costly breakdowns. Let's start with the basics. A jaw crusher works by compressing material between two jaws, one fixed, one that moves. Over time, the high friction contact between rock and metal wears these parts down. Your key wear components are the jaw dies or jaw plates, the main surfaces that crush your material, cheek plates, protecting the crusher frame on both sides, and the toggle plate, a safety component that also takes on stress during crushing. Here's what to look for during your inspections. Jaw dies wear most heavily at the bottom, where material exits the chamber. As that ridge wears flat, you'll notice reduced output and less bite on the material. If you see deep grooves, cracking, or if your toggle plate starts flexing more than usual, that's your sign something's off. Also, keep an eye on your cheek plates. Once they're worn through, you're cutting into the crusher frame, and that repair bill won't be small. Daily maintenance goes a long way. Before each shift, check for loose bolts on your jaw, dies, and cheek plates. Grease the bearings and toggle points. Make sure your jaw die seating surfaces are clean. No rock or material buildup behind them. Doing this every day prevents uneven wear and extends the life of both your jaws and your frame. When should you replace? Most operators flip their jaw dies once the bottom wear is about 60 to 70%. That way, you get full use from both sides, but don't wait until the steel's razor thin. Running worn-out dies can cause your nip angle to go off, reduce production, and damage the crusher itself. If you're starting to see poor gradation or product size drift, it's probably time. Not all jaw dies are the same. In North America, most use manganese steel, typically 14%, 18%, or 22% manganese content depending on the material you're crushing. Harder rock? Go higher manganese. Softer, abrasive recycling material? You might want a lower manganese alloy for better flexibility. Talk to your dealer or manufacturer rep. The right alloy can double your wear life. Always keep a spare set of jaw dies, cheek plates, and toggle plates on hand. Downtime costs way more than the parts themselves. Having your next set ready to bolt in means you can swap out in a few hours instead of waiting a week for shipping. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to RPG Equipment for more real-world tips on crushers, screeners, grinders, and everything in between. Drop a comment below. What wear parts have lasted longest for you, and what brand are you running? Let's compare notes.